If you're using YouTube without changing these settings, you're missing out and even risking your privacy. These settings can fix annoying issues and give you a much better experience. I'll show you exactly what to change step by step. So let's get started. First, open up the YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on your profile below. Next, tap the Google account. Here, scroll down a little bit, and after that, tap on Data and Privacy. Now scroll down again. Find the My Ad Center. Tap on it. If you scroll down, you can see your personal information that Google uses to show you ads. You can turn it off. To do that, scroll up. Now turn off the Personalized Ads option. Tap on it, then tap on Turn Off. Next, tap Got It, and it's turned off. Now go back. Scroll up. Tap on YouTube History. Scroll down a little bit. Here you will see a Turn Off option. If you turn it off, YouTube will save what you watch, and you won't see any YouTube history as well. So, tap on Turn Off, then scroll down a little bit, tap Pause, then tap Got It, then go back. This time, tap on Timeline. This feature automatically saves what you visit. So, now tap on Turn Off. Then again, tap on Turn Off. And finally, tap Got It. And that's it. These three must change YouTube settings will change your whole YouTube experience. So folks, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. Until then, stay tuned and take care.